Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, keyword transformations, exercise number FCE026. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, if I were you, I would go and speak to your boss. The keyword is should. And the second sentence is, you blank your boss. The correct answer is, you should speak to your boss. This transformation uses should to indicate advice or recommendation. You should keeps the original meaning of if I were you, I would from the first sentence. Another example would be you should listen to his advice. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is it wasn't obligatory to go to work today. I thought it was. The keyword is need. And the second sentence is I blank gone to work today. The correct answer is I need not have gone to work today. This transformation uses need not have to indicate that an action was unnecessary. Need not have gone keeps the original meaning of it wasn't obligatory to go from the first sentence. Another example would be you need not have bought so much food. Next up, question 3. The original sentence is it was a mistake of you to lose your passport. The keyword is lost. And the second sentence is you blank your passport. The correct answer is you shouldn't have lost your passport. The transformation uses shouldn't have to indicate a past mistake. Shouldn't have lost keeps the original meaning of it was a mistake to lose from the first sentence. Another example would be you shouldn't have missed the meeting. It was really important. Here's question 4. The original sentence is, why don't we leave after breakfast on Saturday? The keyword is leaving. And the second sentence is, how blank on Saturday? The correct answer is, how about leaving after breakfast on Saturday? This transformation uses how about followed by a gerund to make a suggestion to somebody. How about leaving keeps the original meaning of why don't we leave from the first sentence. Another example would be, how about going for a walk? On to question 5. The original sentence is, this is the most boring film I've ever seen. The keyword is more. And the second sentence is, I have blank film. The correct answer is, I have never seen a more boring film. This transformation uses a comparative structure to emphasize the degree of boredom. I have never seen keeps the original meaning of I have ever seen in the first sentence. Another example would be I have never read a more interesting book. Question 6. The original sentence is we will have to leave early tomorrow. The keyword is set. And the second sentence is we will blank tomorrow. The correct answer is, we will have to set off early tomorrow. This transformation uses have to set off to indicate the necessity of leaving early. Set off early keeps the original meaning of leave early from the first sentence. Another example would be, we need to set off now if we don't want to miss the train. Question 7. The original sentence is, the robbers escaped with $1,000 without being caught. The keyword is got. And the second sentence is, the robbers blank dollars. The correct answer is, the robbers got away with $1,000. This transformation uses got away with to indicate escaping without being caught. Got away with keeps the original meaning of escaped with from the first sentence. Another example would be, they got away with a small fortune. And now the last one, question 8. The original sentence is, I told them not to cross the park at night. The keyword is warned. And the second sentence is, I blank the park at night. The correct answer is, I warned them about crossing the park at night. Another possible answer is, I warned them against crossing the park at night. This transformation uses warned them about or warned them against to indicate giving a warning. I warned them about keeps the original meaning of told them not to in the first sentence. Another example would be, She warned him about the dangers of crossing that road. Or, he warned his brother against driving so fast. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.